Protein concentration is a critical parameter in biochemical and molecular biology experiments, influenced by various factors. In this video, we'll dive into the details. Typically, protein concentration depends on sample type, experimental conditions, and extraction and purification methods. Changyao Bio provide protein concentrations ranging from 0.5 to 2 milligrams per milliliter, ensuring stability, activity, and suitability for further separation, purification, and functional studies. However, many clients have specific concentration requirements. To meet these needs, we strive to increase protein concentration without causing precipitation. Note that not all proteins thrive in high concentrations. Some may aggregate or precipitate due to intermolecular interactions, compromising their bioactivity and structural integrity. Optimizing protein concentration requires balancing physicochemical properties, expression systems, and downstream applications. By adjusting culture conditions, refining purification steps, and using appropriate buffers and additives, we can enhance concentration while maintaining stability. For challenging proteins, like membrane proteins or low-abundance proteins, achieving higher concentrations may require advanced purification techniques and multi-buffer system screening for effective extraction and enrichment. This is the end of this video. Follow Changyao Biology's video account to bring you more interesting and informative life science knowledge. We look forward to seeing you next time.